How to install your commercial care portable washing machine. Model number CC09PWM. First, remove all packaging material before lifting the packing box. The washer must be lifted up and away from the foam base, ensuring there's no remaining styrofoam at the bottom of the washer, near the motor. The following accessories are included with your portable washer. You'll want to install your washer on a hard floor surface in an operable space where room temperature does not fall below freezing and safe from outdoor weather conditions. The washer must also be located within 4 feet of a drain facility, as well as accessible to a grounded 120-volt 15-amp outlet. To install the bottom cover, gently place the unit using a soft padded surface. Install the bottom cover by sliding it into the correct slots with the screw provided. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver. For temporary installation to a single sink faucet using the Quick Connect adapter, make sure you remove the aerator from your sink's faucet. If the Quick Connect does not fit your faucet, you will need to buy an adapter. You can buy faucet adapters online or at a nearby hardware store. If the faucet has external threads, do not use the rubber gasket. If the faucet has internal threads, make sure the rubber gasket is used. Separate the Quick Connect. Then connect the bottom to the inlet and the upper faucet fitting to the faucet. Attach one end of the hose to the Quick Connect. Attach the other end of your hose to the cold water inlet on the washing machine. Tighten the fittings by hand until snug, and then tighten additionally with a wrench. Secure the drain hose over a wash basin, laundry tub, or standpipe, and refer to the user manual for further instructions. Adjust your machine as needed with one adjustable leveling leg on the front and 2 roller wheels on the back. Ensure that the connectors are tightly fit. Then plug in the power cord and turn on the washer. There you have it. Installing your commercial care CC09PWM portable washing machine made easy.